Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will give you a brief intro to side hustles. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Module 1. Intro to Side Hustles. If you need to earn more, then you need to have a side hustle. A side hustle is simply defined as an extra job in addition to your day job. Side hustles provide supplementary income for those who are looking to earn a little bit more cash or for those who are looking to make ends meet. As financial security continues to be a problem worldwide, side hustles are necessary for those who want to get out of debt. It can even eventually become a stepping stone for entering the entrepreneurial world. If you want to learn more about how to earn money on the side, then this is the guide for you. Chapter 1 focuses on the benefits you can get from having an extra income. Chapter 2 provides you a list of online side gigs that you can do. Finally, Chapter 3 discusses options for offline side hustles. By the time you're finished reading this course, you're now ready to take on the world of side hustling. According to Bankrate's Side Hustle Survey in 2019, 45% of working Americans, around 70 million, have a gig outside their day job. When asked the reason why they're doing it, 30% said that they need the extra money to make ends meet. Moreover, roughly 60% said that they use the money primarily for savings or as disposable income for spending. Here are some more surprising statistics. A person spends an average of 11 to 16 hours per week doing side hustles. Side hustles have an average hourly rate of $16 to $23 an hour. 27% of side hustlers started making money from a hobby. 1% of the American workforce use an app-based platform to earn income. 47% of people with postgraduate degrees have opted for side hustles. 48% of millennials have a side hustle. 30% of side hustlers are in the form of reselling or selling handmade products. 54% of side hustlers are women. These statistics show how side hustles are changing the way we look at earning more income. Whether it's for a practical or personal cause, side hustles can help you not only to earn more, but to help you try something new, especially if you're considering a career change. In fact, some even consider a side hustle as a form of hobby. On the other hand, people earning through these gigs realize that they can make a living while not fully relying on the traditional work models. As the concept of work evolved through time, side hustles have shed light on the idea that people can have the opportunity to turn work into a hobby. If you're someone who's looking to get started on having side gigs, your motivation may stem from either financial or creative reasons. Whatever your intention is, here are 3 reasons why you should have a side hustle. Provides extra income. Having an additional stream of income can be helpful on any given date, whether it's to pay off your debts, boost savings, build your wealth faster, or simply having extra cash to treat yourself every once in a while. Having an extra income also means that you're not fully reliant on your day job. Losing your full-time job can be really stressful, especially when you're living paycheck to paycheck. However, side hustles serve as cushions that give you a bit of extra financial security. It can be empowering. Having a side hustle not only helps you to earn extra cash, but also contributes to your overall welfare. As you start making money from the side, you'll learn new skills or improve existing ones. Finding gigs that you have a real interest in ignites your passion that you otherwise might lose if you solely focused on your regular job. Moreover, side hustles empower you. Knowing that you have an economic value outside of your 9-to-5 job. This feeling of fulfillment enables you to have a better lifestyle and enjoy life to the fullest. Not taking much of a risk. Many business owners have made a big, scary leap when they decided to leave their full-time jobs and pursue their dream of building their own business. However, with that big of a risk, this can't be possible for everyone. However, with a side hustle, you can start working on a business without losing the security of your main source of income. This also means that it'd be less of a burden to change plans if things aren't working out. You can focus more on your passion. There are countless stories of people who have turned their passion into something profitable. You too can do the same. In fact, you might end up turning your passion into a job that you'll truly love. For instance, creative minds have turned their ideas into concrete, tangible products that they sell online, all the while just enjoying the artistic process. Earning money is just one of the perks of doing something you truly enjoy.